Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. So yeah, the weather's not the best outside, so I won't be filming any sort of Mercedes content today, but I'm going to be actually doing my room over. So as you guys can see, everything is still in the room right now, and I want to paint the walls actually, because it's this other stupid color that I did like when I was still on high school or primary school. I don't actually remember. So we're gonna be changing the color of the room, and also wanna change the floor as well. So yeah guys, my dad also did the lights yesterday, which I wanted to record, but hey, he did it without me. So these were the lights off and these were the lights on. So it's pretty bright lights. It's these down lights. So there's only 4 that he did. So I want to make the wiring nice and neat. The bloody light switch is going here, so I'm definitely going to move this. The cool thing is that my dad actually got the dimmer for it as well, so I just need to get the dimmer switch itself, and then I'll have functionality to actually be able to dim my lights. So yeah guys, that's the plan for today. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed the last video that I posted, just for the big thank you to surpassing 500 subscribers, and I'm so close to 600. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the day. You guys, so as you saw, we're making some good progress here on my side. So most of the room is basically emptied out now. I wish I had a wide angle, but yeah, clear roof there on top. I need to take that rack off that cupboard. I'm gonna dismantle my entire desk, so that, because I need to take that stupid curtain off there. I'm gonna sort out all the wiring and stuff on the wall, clear the wall off from all the plastic. And then yeah, I'm not going to move that. I'm just going to move that desk forward to get that done. Like I said, I'm moving this light switch so that it's way better and cleaner. The cupboard I'm also just going to move to the front, and then the carpet I'm going to pick up, because like I said, I want to replace this flooring and stuff. So yeah guys, making some good progress here right now. Hopefully I'm done in time for the show later, which I'm sure I will be. It's not going to be long because my room is not too big. So yeah, the main purpose of today is to be able to paint the room, put the new floor in, sort out this wiring, and then go from there. But hope you guys are enjoying this video, trying to make it as interactive as possible with the time lapse and things. So let's continue. Hey guys, so just a bit of a progress thing. Let me just put this music soft quick. So yeah guys, just a bit of a progress here. As you can hear, is a bit more of an echo here because most of the stuff is out of the room. So I cleared off this wall here behind me. Super dusty here in this room. Yeah, so I have to still pull the curtain off, take that picture off. I pulled the curtain off there, and now I need to just clean this wall so that I can actually start prepping for paint and stuff. So yeah guys, I pulled the floor out as well. So this is what it looks like now, my room. I'm gonna try and get the space for my bed, because I don't have a space right now for my bed. So I'm trying to get the space for my bed just so that I can take it out of the room when I start painting. I'm gonna sweep up here on the floor, get everything done, so that I can paint, because yeah, I'm slowly running out of time here. But definitely gonna paint, definitely gonna put the new floor in and stuff, and then yeah, hopefully my room will get a nice makeover from there. But I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I'm enjoying the process, so let's continue. I'm gonna start painting now. I just want to put the disclaimer in this video. I am not a professional painter by any means. I'm literally just doing this because I want my room a different color. But yeah, this is not the final color that we're going for. This is just so that my room looks a bit better and it's easier to, I guess it's just for looks. Hey guys, so it is the next day. Yeah, so I finished the room yesterday, late last night actually. I finished the room. So as you guys can see, all the walls are white now, and yeah, it was a long process. We also put like new vinyl in that I still need to glue down and things, so yeah, hopefully it will remove all this waviness and things. But this is what the room looks like right now. Oh, I definitely cleared the on top as well, like the steeper things, and then the wall over there. So I just need to sort out the wiring over there, clean that up a bit. I need better cable management over there. But yeah, my next thing is probably going to be to do this, the desk over, because I really need to do that over. But this is basically just the normal setup with a light there. Oh, and then I think I showed you guys yesterday the light that my dad installed. So it's these 4 downlights, and they actually brighten up the room quite a bit. So yeah guys, that was the room makeover. Last night was a struggle because I have asthma, but it's not really something that's like affected me that much. But yesterday it just took the cake. Like my chest closed up and I needed a pump. So yeah, that was pretty funny. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace.